Let's analyze two distinct tools for media streaming, Plex and Stremio. While both enable you to watch movies, series, and live content, their core philosophies and operations are fundamentally different. This video will clarify each platform's purpose, strengths, and limitations to help you choose the right tool for your specific needs. First, Plex, the personal media server. Plex operates on a client-server model. You install the Plex Media Server software on a central computer, NAS device, or compatible system. This server organizes your personal collection of movies, TV shows, music, and photos into a beautiful, unified library, automatically fetching metadata, artwork, and subtitles. Its primary strength is centralized control and universal access. Once your media is indexed, you can stream it from the server to virtually any device: smart TVs, phones, tablets, and gaming consoles, both inside your home and remotely. It offers user profiles, parental controls, and a polished interface reminiscent of commercial streaming services. Plex also provides free ad-supported live TV channels and an on-demand movie catalog. Important consideration: while basic streaming is free, premium features like mobile sync, offline downloads, hardware-accelerated transcoding for optimal playback on different devices, and advanced DVR functions require a Plex Pass subscription. Initial server setup and media organization also require an upfront time investment. Plex is ideal for users with an existing media library who want a reliable, organized, and professional-grade system for streaming their content everywhere. Second, Stremio, the content aggregator. Stremio takes a different path. It is a lightweight application that functions as a content discovery and aggregation hub, available on Windows, macOS, Linux, Android, and Android TV. Stremio does not host your media. Instead, it uses community-developed add-ons to pull streams from a wide array of online sources directly into a clean, unified interface. Its core advantage is simplicity and instant access. You can find and start watching content within minutes of installation without needing a personal server or media files. It features a built-in library to track your watch history, supports subtitles, and allows for significant customization through its add-on ecosystem. Important consideration: Stremio's functionality and content availability are entirely dependent on third-party add-ons, which can vary in reliability, video quality, and legality. The platform itself does not control these sources, leading to potential inconsistency. Stremio is ideal for users who prioritize ease of use, want immediate access to a vast catalog of online content, and prefer not to manage files or maintain a server. Direct comparison and verdict: choose Plex. If you want a powerful, self-hosted media server for your personal collection, it's the best choice for long-term media management, multi-user households, remote access, and a highly polished, reliable viewing experience, especially if you're willing to invest in setup and potentially a Plex Pass. Choose Stremio. If you want a simple, fast, and flexible streaming hub, it's the superior option for instant gratification, exploring content from numerous online sources via add-ons, and avoiding the complexities of server maintenance and file storage. In summary, your choice hinges on a key question: do you want to curate and control your own media library Plex, or do you want to discover and stream from existing online sources? Thank you for watching. Which platform do you prefer for your setup? Let us know in the comments. If you found this comparison useful, please like, share, and subscribe for more clear software breakdowns.